You're not hearing this in mainstream news, but Japan is quietly preparing for a financial reset. Not with headlines, with policy. Tax cuts, budget restructuring, defense spending increases, and officials openly monitoring currency markets. That's not random, that's preparation. Because Japan has been stuck for decades. Low growth, weak yen, aging population, endless stimulus. Now they're shifting. And when Japan shifts, global markets move. Remember, this is the third largest economy on earth. A change in Japan affects currencies, bonds, global trade, risk sentiment. If the yen strengthens, carry trades unwind. If fiscal policy changes, capital flows shift. If defense spending rises, geopolitics escalates. This isn't just Japan news. This is early positioning for a new financial cycle. And the market always moves before the public understands why. Wisdom leads, action follows.